Good afternoon, good evening, guys. We are going to find a boyfriend.
Oh, no.
No. Sorry, she's not interested with boyfriend. No. We have a walk, and then we meet up our bosses later. This is our location, guys. Look, I don't know what they plan there. Maybe some.
Hey, who is this name? This hostel? I don't know.
Sophie.
Sophie?
Sofitel? No, I don't know what hotel.
No, this
No name. So we go to the right of the beach. Supposed to be I go for swimming, but I fell asleep, guys. I'm tired. Enjoy my vacation in Protaras. This girl is afraid of video and the picture. You stop me the more I take to you. Okay, guys. So windy. Bye-bye.